Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, guys. What a Wednesday! We have amazing week. We started the week on a very right direction. I'm gonna go straight forward to the events we're having because we have a lot to discuss in this video. US dollar is getting closer to correction, guys. Something that we've been expecting, and I was a little bit surprised to see the strength of the US dollar, the recent strength of the US dollar. So the majors are recovering. Something very interesting about Apple. Apple was hit by supply crunch and registers 20% production drop. As you know, this is due to semiconductors crunch. Right now, there is worldwide problem about the semiconductors. These could put pressure on S&P 500 as Apple is having the most weight from the index. Australia kept the same interest rates. We got interest rate decision in Australia yesterday, 0.1%. We're gonna take a look at how this affected the Australian dollar, but they decided not to take any action towards their interest rate. We have Bank of Canada interest rate today. Canadian dollar is going to be definitely volatile. Crude oil in relation is pushing higher after reaches major support level. We talked about it, quite expected, so not surprised whatsoever. Thursday we got tomorrow initial jobless claims, important report on the market, 1:30 p.m. GMT, and of course the event of the week, and I would say one of the events of the month, core CPI, 1:30 p.m. GMT inflation report in United States. It's very interesting and very important, especially for the Federal Reserve. Even though Powell announced last week, quickly to remind you, they will start interest rate hikes. Despite the high inflation, they just gonna ignore it. Powell thought it's temporary, but obviously it's not. I'm very curious to see what numbers we're gonna see on Friday. And it seems Christmas will come earlier for the traders. As we mentioned yesterday, Monday, the rally on the American markets were expected. US 500, S&P 500 reached almost the top, and this is after almost 5% drop, and just it's unbelievable. 2 days recovery of most probably 10-12 days drop after 10-12 days drop. It's crazy, absolutely amazing. So we have Bitcoin also is struggling to recover the drop of almost 25% that happened a couple of days ago, holding $50,500 price. I wouldn't touch the cryptos in the next couple of days. I want to see where the Bitcoin is going to go, then we can take an action. So let's take a look at the charts, guys. Euro US dollar in front of us, 1.13. We've seen a very huge momentum here a couple of days ago, 100 pips, 110 pips. Slight correction, push to the upside is pretty possible. 1.13, very strong level, and obviously it's very possible to see this level holding the price. GBP USD. Quick one, GBP is still delaying behind the euro a little bit. As you can see, it's holding the lows of 1.3255, but I think it's gonna take some time to the GBP to push up, and in order to reach the first resistance, 1.3352. I am going to be a little bit more patient with the Great British Pound specifically because it looks weak right now. Australian US immediately above the resistance, which is already a support, 0.71, a very big strong support level tested here. It's crucial to hold this support right now in order not to be like false breakout. So we're gonna see, but this is the impact of the interest rates. 80 pips yesterday, 80 pips push, of course, from the bottom to the top. And I think it's pretty possible to see the next resistance. I'm going to move this level to a new resistance level, 0.7170, first obstacle for the Australian USD, and then we can see slight correction. New Zealand US, almost the same, even though reached the resistance level 0.68. I would wait to see the New Zealand going above this level, then I'm gonna take my action, and of course I'm gonna do further analysis. USD Canadian jumping immediately to the crude oil, smashing resistance after resistance, crazy. 67.93, $68 per barrel, pushing through 69.62. After that, 70.73. This is absolutely amazing. $5 per barrel for 2 days. We talk about big recovery. I've taken my buy trades on the crude oil, as I told you on Monday. It was absolutely logical. 65.19, very huge support level. Almost reached the next one, 61.79, and whiplash, bam, quickly. Very nice. And we've been expecting right now $74.27 per barrel, 77, and who knows, even we can reach even $100. I am remaining bullish from now on. From Monday, I'm not going to look into short crude oil anymore, and I'm starting to hunt for buy trades. So, following this logic, if we see crude pushing up, Canadian pushing up, following this trend, USD CAD absolutely predictable. Short trades 190, 200 pips from the top. We predicted that on Monday as well. 1.2836, a very important resistance on the market, and just dropped down significantly with 200 pips in order almost to touch the support 1.2623. Slight recovery to the upside, pretty possible after such a huge drop, like here, as you can see, like here and here. We do have such a recoveries after a huge significant drop, so I'm not gonna be surprised. USD Swiss, all right, a little bit sleepy, but it's normal after the drop of 200 pips. Big recovery, I would say recovered almost 50% out of this drop. Further down, with it possible, this support level 0.92 is gonna be, I would say, an obstacle for the USD Swiss to break, but in the next couple of weeks, I think we're gonna see the US dollar smashing every support level. USD Japanese, still wondering which direction to take. Big push to the upside, insane drop with 300 pips almost. After that slight correction, it's struggling to find direction here. I'm waiting a little bit to see more clear picture on the USD Japanese yen, but I think this could be very interesting currency pair later on. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, thumbs up for the video if you like the content you see. Share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our YouTube channel. Subscribe it, of course, in order to get yourself updated all the time with the new videos, and expect my new video on Monday. Have fun and make money.